Kittl's AI is pretty fun to use, and you can create some pretty cool graphics just like this. Now, in fact, they actually have lots of great AI features, as we can see just here. But they do have an AI credit system. But did you know that you can actually earn AI credits here on Kittl? Now, if you want to check this out, I will link this down in the description, because again, you can earn free AI credits here on Kittl. So you can get rewards by upgrading your plan, inviting friends, or writing reviews. By completing guests, you can easily earn rewards that will be promptly credited to your account. So if we take a look here, you can actually go unlimited with their plans, which this is not about, but you can invite friends and earn up to 3,000 AI credits. You can also send and post a video testimonial as well and earn 200 credits. You can review them on G2, Trustpilot and TrustRadius and earn 100 AI credits. You can subscribe to their YouTube channel and earn 25. You can introduce yourself on Discord and again earn another 25. You can join a challenge and earn 25. You can watch the Kittl Quick Start tutorial and again earn 25 credits, or even follow them on TikTok and earn 15. So, if you want to earn free Kittl AI credits, then come and check this out. I will link it down in the description. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like and a subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.